Siri asked me if I wanted to answer it, and I said yes.
Siri's gonna take over the world.
She said make sure I leave on time today.
What time is on time?
6 o'clock.
Okay. What's for dinner, Charlie?
The sausage and vegetables.
Or tacos?
No.
Or I could make
Or,
a taco out
yeah.
of that.
Getting there.
And it seems like it should be so flat, but it ain't even close. I don't know what this is here. It's eating some of that too. This might look totally effed when we're done. I guess we're gonna find out. What I am learning is the dimple pattern is not the friendliest pattern to do this with.
Right, because some of it's sticking up higher in the oven.
Yep. Should probably get some 180. What do you think?
I know they don't have 180 over there.
Amazon one.
Yeah.
Alright, we're done with this for now.